that, get to know him. Hi, I'm Andrew.
Alright, so here we are, getting ready to go on our road trip to Maine.
Christopher Columbus.
Christopher Columbus.
We got
Exploring newfound land.
Sean, Joel, and Emma.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
I am very ready to eat.
We're in New Jersey now. Okay, so we're still in Maryland. The drive is supposed to take about 6.5 hours, but we're gonna be making a couple stops for like food and gas and drinks, coffee, that kind of thing. So that'll make it take quite a bit longer, I'm sure. So yeah, munching on some cookies that I brought from work, and almost crashing into that SUV in front of us.
Cookies.
But the cookies are safe.
Cookies first. Knows how I'm a great singer. West Virginia, Mountain Mama.
Country roads.
Country toads. Cut them in half by a car. It's in their path. 7 minutes of
Is this
traffic.
gonna be interesting to watch or just like really boring? I don't know.
The video?
Yeah. Hopefully the traffic won't be this bad all the way. This is not at all what I was expecting. This big poppies is like just in like this industrial area.
Yeah, they don't have any seating or anything.
Oh, cool. So it's like a kind of like a takeout place.
Yeah. I recommend, what I'm gonna get is the shrimp quesadilla. It's so good.
So I'm good. So here we are at Big Poppies.
I am very ready to eat my quesadilla. I've been hungry for hours now, and I'm going to devour it.
It's Thormont. Woohoo! We are in Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, Philadelphia. So it is just about 20 after 9, halfway through PA. Still have to go through New York and Connecticut before we get to Massachusetts, I believe. I think we're not going to be getting to camp till about 1:30 in the morning. So it's going to be a long night.
So of course we're trying to be prepared for this trip, and so we're bringing along some tools, which include just some general tools like a multimeter and a soldering iron, an air compressor, and then of course we need oil because our car burns oil.
All right, here we are at the Wawa. Oh man, we've been in the car for like, what, 3.5 hours? Something like that.
I mean, I thought you were...
All right, we're gonna go in. So we've gotten off the highway. We're now driving up this road here in New York State. Feels like we're out in the middle of nowhere. It is 5 after 1. Got about a little over an hour left. Oh man. Alright, it is 2:15. We just got here to the hip campsite.
Figure out if we pitch our tent right here, or if we go way down. The problem is that's usually the path to drive through. So he said he drove back here in his car. We can walk down here.
Oh, the grass is all wet.
I know, that's an ideal place.
I don't know that I'd want to bring the cars down in here. What? No, they've got lights that are buried by the...
Oh, do they?
That are all over ground. They're little lanterns.
Oh gosh, I thought it was glow in the dark mushroom or something. I was like, what? So I think the place we're going is over there though. Or if we were going, we'd go out there and that's camp where the cars are, you think?
This is quite overgrown. I feel like we're in someone's yard now.
No, this is the property. I'll show you. Come here, look. See, I've seen the map of the place, so it makes sense. It makes sense to me where we are on the map. So, basically, I think to the right over there, about a couple 100 feet, is like the fire pit in the ring or something hidden behind. And the way you walk down, the way we walk down, is not the normal way to drive down. The normal way to drive down is straight ahead, not to the right, where like right there. And then coming out here, there's usually a path there. So the camping spot is all over. Is the big field up there that's overgrown, or right next to our cars, or we can somehow get our cars down here.
That's the only nice thing here.
It's so flat. Push the tent near the car.
Yeah.
It's flat there.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Yeah, I agree.
Sure.
Get out of here in the morning. This is dumb.
I think our chances of dying have gone up a little bit. From 25% to 40.
To 40? Oh, I just want you to see.
How would he not be able to get a landscaper out here today?
That's a good question, man. Here you go. We'll just get out of here in the morning and be on our way to stay at better places and things.
Exploration tomorrow to the coast.
We'll be going to a nice cabin tomorrow.
Nice. So do these cabins have electricity?
I think they actually do, because I think they actually both have a refrigerator.
Oh, cool. There's your glowing mushroom. Did you see the glowing mushrooms, Joel?
Yeah, I saw them.
I actually thought it was a glowing mushroom, though. I was like, what is that? It's like
I was like, what is that? Is that like a person just crouched with a flashlight? There's Sean clearing a spot for our tents with his machete. I didn't get a better view of this. It's kind of dark and I can't see.
It's still gonna be terrible, though, being on this.
Yeah. I mean, I'd be fine with sleeping there.
Huh?
I'd be fine with sleeping anywhere here.
There?
Yeah.
Where Sean is here. He's cutting a path for our tents because the landscaper never came to our campsite.
The hip camp guy texted us yesterday and told us that he hadn't gotten a chance to cut the grass. But by that point, it was too late for us to find a different spot, so we had to make do with this one. You're doing a good job, Sean. Oh, by the way, it is 2:30 in the morning.
I'm like a crazy man.
Sean
people
out
videoing me.
Sean out here with a machete, just chopping away at 2:30 in the morning. Okay, I got my tent set up as it's gonna be tonight. I'm gonna go to bed. See you guys in the morning.